मुझे कार्य क्षेत्र पर महिलाओं के सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट के निवारण के बारे में इग्नू की पॉलिसी के बारे में जानकारी है।
As an academician, I am aware that university has the policy on the prevention, prohibition and redressal of sexual harassment of women at the workplace.
मुझे अच्छी तरह मालूम है कि सभी कार्यस्थलों या शैक्षणिक संस्थानों की तरह इग्नू में भी महिलाओं के साथ होने वाले यौन उत्पीड़न की रोकथाम और उसके निवारण के लिए एक पॉलिसी है।
No, I was not aware of IGNU having a policy on prevention and prohibition of sexual harassment for women.
Yes, I am aware that university has a policy on prevention, prohibition and sexual harassment.
मुझे prevention, prohibition and redressal of sexual harassment of women at the workplace 2018 के बारे में पूरी तरह से जानकारी है।
I am aware of the university's policy on prevention, prohibition and redressal of sexual harassment against women in workplaces.
I really appreciate the selfless service they render for the well-being of every student. I am taken up by seeing their patient service they render whenever it is needed. I am sure that they are always ready to do the needful at any time.
As of my experience, I did not face any kind of sexual harassment or any kind of harassment in going to the study center or at the regional center.
मुझे रीजनल सेंटर या स्टडी सेंटर पर कभी भी ऐसी समस्याओं का सामना नहीं करना पड़ा।
I have not faced any kind of harassment of any kind or problem all through my association with the IGNU Regional Center.
I have never ever faced any such issue, not with the staff in the regional center or with the teachers who came as counselors to take our practicals or classes. So IGNU has been super supportive. The staff has been super cordial throughout.
Teachers are very supportive and the atmosphere of National PG is very convenient and supportive for us. We don't have any issue over there. We are completely safe.
Ma'am, as for my experience, since we have not experienced any harassment, I'd only suggest that you can keep one toll-free number or any contact email ID, one common email ID for the female.
सेंटर्स पर आने वाले सभी विजिटर्स का एक रजिस्टर मेंटेन किया जाए जिसमें उनके जो है आईडी और इसके साथ साथ मोबाइल नंबर ज़रूर दर्ज किया जाए और कोशिश यही की जानी चाहिए कि इनकी क्लास दिन के समय लगाई जाए जिससे कि ये सेफली अपने घर को पहुंच सकें।
This policy and is introduced in the orientation itself. It will be a great help for the female students and women learners who can know that there is such a policy and they can seek help if they face any kind of harassment.
भी मैं चाहूँगी कि इसके लिए कोई अब ऐसा छोटा 6 महीने सर्टिफिकेट प्रोग्राम या फिर कोई अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करना चाहिए ताकि सभी को अवेयर करा जा सके। शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्सेज जो हों उसमें इसको शामिल किया जाना चाहिए और उसकी एलिजिबिलिटी भी 10th रखनी चाहिए ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हम स्टूडेंट्स को इसके बारे में अवेयर कर सकें।
If at all possible, we can add one link in their website saying for there's a mailbox for female. If they have any complaint or regret about anything, they can put it in that box so that it can be addressed and it will be total under confidential.